My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Onyeka don collect better woto from Kellyrea after Onyeka fans come out to come call out Cassia over the fact say she never born since she and Kellyrea get married. As we all know, since Big Brother Naija show finish few months ago, Onyeka fans never get peace of mind because they follow Victoria fans dey fight, follow Wani fans fight, follow Kellyrea fans fight, follow Cassia fans fight. Everybody now dey fight with Anita Toffa, dey follow am fight. So the tweet wey be say make Kellyrea vex na the fact say one of Onyeka fans come out to come mock Kellyrea, and she can't even get the audacity to tag the boy. So she come say his failed music can't get him on trend table. Come tag Kellyrea with her full chest. Come say I feel your pain. So Kellyrea, that tweet na the tag, and he can't see him, can't respond. He can't say nothing falls in Kellyrea's hands. Can't you see success all around me? Come put laughing emoji. And you can't feel any pain for me. I'm a winner. You all drag trend tables. Check your own table. You will see kings, queens, governor, presidents, great people call me success. Just come say reply quickly before they take my phone from me. So as I tweet this thing, people come they say Kellyrea no a person wey be say they talk. If you be saying my wife Cassia, because everybody knows say Cassia na the outspoken one, na the small pepper, but Kellyrea na the person wey be say no they actually find trouble on internet space. Come say I didn't tag or mention anyone's name, but you tagged me. No respect for winner. Okay, oh. Just for the record, more than one housemate made that statement, so I'm not sure which of them is your fave. Is it the one that takes her bath once in 2 weeks in Big Brother's house, or Kellyrea they actually come out, they can't call out Onyeka, say Onyeka not the bath for inside the house. So when you make that statement, Onyeka fans come they cry for everywhere. So other fan bases can go wrote out tweet where say people don't tweet when Onyeka they inside the Big Brother house, showing evidence of waiting Kellyrea talk. So the first person here, all these ones wey be say I wan read and tweet wey be say people don tweet even before the Big Brother Naija show end. So the first person here say I just confirmed that lawyer Onyeka no dey baff. Jesu Christi. If una check the date for the go see say na 21st of September 2024. This other tweet wey be say I wan read for you now on the 31st of August. This one say Onyeka wants to go and dress up without baiting. Another one say Onyeka go and bait, leave this kitchen. The next one say Onyeka and her squad won't bath. How much catching up are they doing? The next one say Onyeka never bath or brush today. The next one say Onyeka is a dairy girl. She didn't bathe last night and she's still sweating. The next one say Onyeka won't bath. So it's a people that Nigerian fans, they don't they notice Onyeka not dey bath for a very long time. We say all these secrets about Onyeka for not really come out. I think Onyeka fans learn to shut up their mouth. They don't want rest. Now they don't carry their madness go where Chinwe. The one I remember to say Chinwe, she not get fitter for mat, and Chinwe not get respect. Chinwe not get anything to lose. So if una come for Chinwe, she go expose a lot of secret about una face. So make una avoid that gay. As for the people where we say they wish all these housemates to buy just because of Mumu Bibi in the Naija show.
Because say they don't they drag am, he can't run and follow Ozzy. Did we not tell this girl to stay on her own? Did she listen? But now she don't go unfollow the boy. Why did you unfollow? No, now you for not unfollow. You for not unfollow her now. You for not unfollow a married man when he gets fiancé or girlfriend. You for not unfollow her now. Since you want to die there. You no now don't unfollow him. Don't unfollow him now. You were looking for Shipper's money. You for not unfollow her now. You for stay there. When we were telling you that leave this boy alone, leave him alone, leave him, your fans is a big love, rest. He does not look at now. Why did you unfollow him? Why did you unfollow the boy? Because that boy not send Onyeka. Anyway, I said it's 30 minutes space, so now I'm tired of it.
Big love. I remember for the house where the day where the year Victoria the fight where he say Ozzy not mind now. Ozzy not gonna talk to her. When they fight, when she fight with Victoria. In my head, I was like, okay, where was he gonna tell her? I say, why would you fight for her too? Now you know why you did.